Hi, it's Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Today I'd like to show you some table repair parts. Welcome to my shop. So the most common question we've been asked is that the table legs and the rim have become detached. Typically a part like this that slides over whatever shaped leg it is and that fits into this rim has broken. You know, these become dry and brittle, especially on older import tables. The plastic wasn't very good and so that cracks off. Unfortunately, every company tends to make their own size here. Of leg and then the rim attachment. It's just impossible to have the right part for every table out there. So we do have a clip that may help some customers. We have this table rim attachment clip. This, in addition to a screw, can be, you know, a useful tool for some. What this does is this one fits underneath. There's usually a lip here on the rim that this can fit under. And then there's a little extra buildup right here, and that can act as a lever, you know, so when it's put on the rim to the leg, you know, and then once we drill a hole and put the screw in, that's going to hold that rim to the leg just fine. These I've done on round tubes and other shapes as well, so it's not foolproof that I can, you know, make it work for every table, but there's a good chance you usually can get this to work. Even sometimes if this is not enough of a lever, you know, to get that to fasten on tight, what I've done is take some of these metal washers and use them to build it up, you know, and be able to fasten it on. So that can be a good tip. You may also consider when you're doing that so that you don't have to drill a hole. They have self-tapping screws. I don't sell these, you know, but they're at every hardware store. You know, it's a self-tapping end screw, so you could put that onto the rim, clip it on, put your screw in, and then you would just use your drill to create the hole with the screw and be all set. Another common issue that comes up for a lot of folks is the glass supports have broken. Those also dry out just like the other plastic pieces do. So we do sell these two different rim clips. This is 1.5 inches and 1.25 inches. So that's the height or the thickness of the band of your rim around your table. So what these would do is this Y portion is going to support the glass, like this would be the glass, and then this clips into that little lip on the edge of the rim. So to put one of these on, you would just put that Y portion up underneath the glass, and then sometimes you can clip it right in there with your fingers, but like this one, I would use just like a flathead screwdriver and be able to clip that into that. And so now the glass is supported. Another popular part is this gasket that goes in the hole of a glass top table. A lot of times these will dry out and crack or just look pretty bad like this one does here. So we do sell a replacement gasket that comes with a little cap to go over it also. So to install this, we're just going to take out the old one. You can usually push that out. Sometimes they're hard and brittle and they'll just crack apart. And what we like to do is we put the gasket, the more pliable vinyl, just put it in some hot water. This is actually steaming hot water that we took out of the water cooler just now. So we'll leave it in there for just a few 30 seconds or so, and now it becomes really soft and pliable. So now all I have to do is just slide this into the glass top, straighten it out a little bit. Good to go. Now I would suggest, we did this kind of fast, but I would clean that portion before I installed the new gasket normally. While no shop can have all the parts for every table that's been made out there, some of these universal parts I hope can help you repair yours. Thanks for watching. See you next time.